Hello traders, welcome back to Rise for Freedom. So let's see what happened today in the markets. So we got this trend line on Bitcoin. We got some touch point like one, two, three, almost four, and then we break uh, the trend line after the fifth touch. And and yeah, let's see what happened. If we're gonna come back to retest this trend line and then come back targeting the all-time high, or if we just it's just a fake out and it's going below this level. If Bitcoin make a closure below this point, it's kind of trigger to reach and go below and starting a new bear market. So let's see what happens. Ethereum, same story. So we got, yeah, I don't really see a trend line here. Yeah, it's more like choppiness. I don't really like this. I'm targeting this level and this level right here. So if we break below this one, it's kind of a trigger point to go. Same story as Bitcoin. It's kind of trigger point to go and make a new lows. So let's see what happened. Uh, Now let's take a look at the big ones, the big tens. So we got this trend line and we got this beautiful support zone. So it has been respected over the past years. And if we manage to go here, it's a good opportunities for buys. Uh, Same story here. We will also have the signals. So if we manage to get to this zone, it's probably gonna be a good trade. Same story here. Here we don't have the support and resistance zone. We just have this level over here. And yeah, let's see what happens. Dodge, we break the trend line. We also got the signal. And let's see what what we do. Dot. Oh, we got this beautiful support zone now. It works as a resistance, so I put an alert a little bit in the middle, a little bit on the lower part, and if we manage to come here, I will probably uh, place a short position, stop, I will say at this high and target at over the slow. So yeah, 71%, man, that's insane. That's a lot. But yeah, let's see what happens. Same story on near protocol. So we got these highs over here. If we manage to close above these highs, it's probably a good trigger to go make new higher highs and maybe targeting this highs over here, but it's a lot. Let me see. Yeah, it's 400%, man. A lot. Uh, OP, OP, let's see. Yeah, we got two trigger points. This one for shorts and this one for longs. Uh, yeah, maybe the target is going to be around here, somewhere around here at this levels. Let's see what happens. Then we got Pendle. Pendle, we got this one, two, three, four touch point. I don't really see it as a support zone. I just see it as a levels. I don't know, it's more clear to me that to consider it as a levels, but still, same story. Yeah, if we manage to get candle close below this level, it's gonna probably a good trigger for going short. Target is all-time low. Solana, it's kind of bouncing, but it's still in a downtrend. So let's see what happens. Uh, Probably if we manage to get closure above this level, it's probably a good thing for longs. Otherwise, if we manage to break the resistance, the support zone, uh, it's going to be a good for short positions. Wild, we got this super steep trend line, and we got this level over here, which has been tested multiple times. Now uh, we break below, didn't do too much. Now we are above it, so maybe coming back retested. If it has a support, then we can target the this level over here, from here to here. Yeah, 70%, almost 80. So pretty good, right? Now, I got some good things to show you. So first of all, let's go on the weekly and take a look. I selected among all my playlist, I selected some pairs that are that I think are pretty good to also interesting to take a look. So especially for levels, for the resistance, and then we got also the signals, and I'm going to tell you why it is important. So on the weekly chart, what we have 1000 BTT. We got two levels. If we manage to get closure above this level, it's probably good for longs. And if we manage to break this level, it's good for shorts. Here, I think this level is super beautiful. If we manage to get above this level, then we got a lot of space and targeting this whole time high. So it's 1000%. Here we got a really good short level. Same story here. If we manage to get below, get weekly closure below this level, it's gonna be a good trigger. Same story here on ACH. And then we got this one. I really like this one. This level over here. Yeah, I think the first trigger point will be this one. If we manage to get closure, weekly closure below this level, then it's going to be kind of a rush, a flash crash. Uh, that's gonna break this and go to all-time low. Uh, Wi-Fi, no, WIF, WIF, how do you call it? We have this beautiful level, man. We got and the starting point, so the burn of this coin, and then we got this level, which I find it fascinating that it's on the same level, almost on the same level. So if we manage to break this one, it's gonna be a good short. Same story here. You know, I don't, I didn't uh, place a support resistance zone just because I prefer see it as a level. So if we manage to break above, then we're going short. If we manage to break short, it will go below. I just realized that I said that bullshit, man. But yeah, same story here. I don't see it as a resistance zone. I just see it as levels. So I think this one is a good level on what was that? On WIF, it's a little bit more precise rather than here, but still, same story here. If we manage to get below this level, uh, it's kind of a trigger point. And same story here. Yeah. Now we got signals. What I want to show you is if so every time I got the signal, it means that there were there is a pressure from buyers or sellers, and the signal appears once there are 50 candles that doesn't break and doesn't close the 20 EMA. This is really interesting because we are on the weekly. So it means if one candle is 1 week of data, then we got the signals, and then it means that there are 50 candles, so 50 weeks that of selling pressure or buying pressure. In this case, selling pressure because we got the green and long long signal. How do you trade this? So the first candle that breaks and close above the EMA, it's a good trigger point to place a position. So if next week we're going to touch and then next week we break above, then we can place a trade. And how you're gonna manage this trade is like you buy, let's say for example over here. So we got the closure above the EMA. I don't suggest to place a target. We just place a trailing stop that goes for the full candle. So in this case, 50%, which is a lot. It's insanely a lot. Um, so trailing stop, which means that the more the price goes in your direction, the less you lose. At one point, you're going to go just break even and stop in profit, which is really interesting, because you just need to have a closure above the EMA, and that's it. You just need to place a trailing stop on the first candle, and you just let it run. I really think it's fascinating this because 50 weeks, it's almost 1 year. It's just 2 weeks away from 1 year. And we got a lot of them, really a lot. So let's take a look. This is also interesting because you can on the daily you can watch the situation in details. Also, if you want to go with the 4 hour, I really suggest to just stay with daily and weekly because it has more weight and it's more statistically speaking, it's more reliable. So we got the signal on ASTR. On this one, it's really good because we got little candles. Candles, it means uh, super control is just super pressure by that side. In this case, selling pressure. So once we get above, then we can just let it run. And here is the fun part. If we just manage to get to this high, it's already on 150%. If we manage to go to this high, it's damn 450% and go on. At the all-time high is to type 2000%, but yeah, it's gonna take years to go there. This one is more realistic target to set, but still, it's if we get like a candle and then another candle and it start to touch the EMA, then the first candle that close above with momentum, we just place a trade, set the trailing stop, and just forget about it. Oh yeah, Alice. We also got Alice, ARPA, AXS, and go on. Yeah, you don't need to place a trade in all of this. You just sorry. You just need to find the right one or the pair that you like most and then follow in it. So today, yeah, this week we got this signal. So today, yeah, today is Sunday. So let's see what happens. I'm gonna take a deep look into this and I'm gonna show you the results here. You can just steal my watch list. Yeah, I've got NFP, NKK. It's all like this. We got the signal over here, so it's 1 year of selling pressure, which is a lot, and yeah, it's good. So you can just pause the video and take a look at this. All this got the signal, all of them. And now we've got the support resistance, which also I think it's pretty good. I just scan the whole market and find the most clean and the most beautiful one, in my opinion. So we got this support zone now. Right now, we are at the support. One thing you can do, you can just place a trade, make a stop below, always trailing stop and then targeting whatever you want to target. I don't use the EMA as a tool. I just use it for because it's fast. 10 EMA is too fast. 20 email, 30 email is not that fast. So 20 email is like a good balance. It's like, yeah, it's fast enough, but not too fast. So BNT comp, we are almost, we are about to break the zone. So let's see what happened. Same story here. You see support, 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 and it will keep going like this until we break one. This one also. This one I really like this one because yeah, when I scan the market, the candle was over here. So if we manage to close above these highs, then we can consider it with a long, or we can just place a trade right now and then stop below, and then we just let it run. We just let it run. So if we manage to from here to here is 30%, to here is 100%, almost 90%. Interesting, really interesting. And then, of course, you can also go to the daily and then scan the situation better. RRK, uh, this one, I really like this one because we are in the middle of the zone, which means it's better for having a risk management. So we just got, let's say 20%. We don't have to risk a lot and we can, or better, it's more manageable. The stop is not so high, especially because we are in the weekly and we are operating on the crypto market. So, and crypto pays a lot. It's a lot of volatility. So 21% compared to 50% just to reach these highs. I don't consider the spike. I don't like it. If it's an important spike, yes, I consider it. So, for example, this one, as you can see also on the other pairs, we got uh, this spike, which was a flash crash. I find that important, but not so reliable. Uh, so yeah, all of this are just. support, and then let's see what happens. Also, this one was really interesting. So yeah, if we manage to now we are in a downtrend. So if we manage to go in the middle of the zone, we can just buy and then let it run. Same story for this one. This one also. I like when it respected so much. Of course, the more a zone is tested from one direction. So this one was already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, almost 10 uh, retest of this zone. So it's get a really high chance to get break, but still, the more it works as a support, the happier we are. Oh yeah, same story, yeah. You see, what I was talking about. What it was that like this. So we got support zone, then it breaks it, and now we were testing it as resistance. So we went full deep, almost break the zone, and now we are coming back. Let me see on the daily chart what happened. Yeah, you see, that was a really good trade. 15%, which is a lot. Now we are back in the resistance zone. So what would be a good trade if we go above this level? We can place a short position, stop at this highs, and then just let it run. Really interesting. So let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna take a look every day, or better, every week about this pairs, and you'll see the results. So today, let's see what happens today. First trade, fog, fog. So we got the signal. It was also the second one. Um, this side was a little bit choppy, so yesterday was a little bit choppy, but still we managed to, yeah, this was like 70%. Yeah, I think after 70% of movement without any major pullbacks, it's quite good, but didn't work out, and we lost 2.4 even if my stop was at 2%. So commissions and fees and stuff like that. Yeah. Then we got 1,000 mug. Here it is. Here we got the signal just above the zone we just break, and I thought because the price just immediately came back at the zone, now it's testing it as support, but on the daily, this is still a resistance zone. That's why I place this trade. So short position didn't work out. We just go straightly to the stop. It is what it is. IOTS. I find this one so beautiful, man. Even if it's only 20%, this type of trend, it's good. I like that. I really like that. So now we got a short um, signal. I entered the market and just smash the. What happens? Then uh, my thought, yeah, I'm gonna send it again. Just give me a second. But still, yeah, uh, iOS. was a good trade. AKT. So we got short signal where we also were way above the signal. So I placed the trade and just matched the profit target. So we are happy. Uh, Cron Kronos, I think it's Kronos. It was two third signal in a row. So 1, 2, 3 days of signals. It means it's probably gonna reverse soon. I should have waited until this level because you see, touch it like a kiss. Yeah, it touched it like a kiss. Probably now it's a better short trade than it was this morning, but still doesn't matter. I never wait for confirmation because you saw the last video with Bitcoin. It's just 50-50, man. If you have a good risk management, then it's just 50-50. You're gonna be right after half of the time and wrong half of the time. So yeah, and yeah, here we just hit the stop. We went a little bit in profit and then we got the stop. IO, we hit the stop. I would like to show you the result, but I don't know why the video doesn't work. So fuck it, man. But still, it is what it is. This one also 1,000 flocky we got stopped out. And today we managed to make like -8%. So it's not that big of a deal. So yeah, uh, I'm going to take a look at all of these pairs. I'm going to analyze it daily, weekly, and then keep doing what I'm doing. So this is just for you. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you can find really good opportunities. Also, not financial advices, of course. Um, I will never. Uh, I will never give you some advices to buy, sell. I don't really care. Trading is risky. Everybody lose money. Even the best ones lose money. So just don't follow anything I say. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy it, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye bye.